Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in MAZDA Tribute 2006, which we already got some video of how to remove the part and also some other trick going around this car. So at the end we already finished. The 9-inch touchscreen fit perfectly into the place like factory, and full feature package with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Also, we upgrade the sound speaker system into the 8 of the Pioneer component speaker, which you see down there is one driver, and we have a tweeter right here, and on the side we have tweeter right here, and we have driver, and we have driver, and we have the tweeter. Yeah, that the previous speaker there and previous head unit over there. So far that's the system we fit, full package including 8 Pioneer speakers and tune up the sound. So at this moment it sounds beautiful, and all the steering wheel controls, they're working well into the system. So you can see that when we press the button over here, change the volume over there. And on the screen it is simply the wireless Apple CarPlay as usual. Simple, easy and efficient to be used. Yep, and that's pretty much about it. And also we fit in the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, which you can see right here. When we put into the reverse, it shows up the camera and it moves and works very well. So yeah, after a good time spending in the job, now we finished 9-inch full feature package MAZDA Tribute 2006. And yep, thanks again for watching. If you want to see how the wireless Android Auto is working in this car, please have a look at another video in our channel. Thank you and see you then.